kind eyes. Soulful. Yeah, soulful. Oh, and I keep well, yeah. I can't believe I'm doing this.
If Art Boy's half as great as you say he seems, you should have done it a long time ago.
Oh, what if he's here now? I don't want him to know that you were my mother.
Okay, I got it. I'll just casually go for their photo shot. And then I'll casually sit a few tables away. And if it's a bust, sneeze twice. I'll just call yourself on with a family emergency.
Okay. I feel like I'm in sixth grade.
I love the sixth grade. Bye, Charlie. I'll see you back at the office.
Is the seat taken?
I don't believe it is.
Perfect. Thanks.
Ha
What's up with this guy, right? Hey, man.
C. Anderson?
Ben, it's you.
Yes. C. Anderson is me. Ben.